Counseling Tibetan. My dad has a channel called Rising Space Star 77, but make sure to put a space after rising. I just want to say my dad has really good videos and very good content, like food, songs, and politics. But make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Bye, guys.
Hello everyone, Tashi Dilek. Happy Wednesday, Lugger song. My daughter received a lot of gifts from her friends, from her aunt, from her mom, and we have a series for unboxing the gifts. So today she will open the gifts from her aunt. All right?
Yeah, so I kind of opened it.
You opened it, right?
I opened it when.
There we go.
Okay, so it comes with the note.
Okay, there we go. Yeah. What is the note?
I can't really open it. Yeah, I'll open this up later.
Huh?
I'll open this up later. It's too hard. Oh, so it feels like clothes.
Hmm.
Okay, more packaging.
Yeah. I think I'll just save that one. Save that one. Tholamada. The wrapper tholamada play sulisha. Yeah, once we can use it. Yeah.
Okay, it's jeans.
Jeans again. This jacket?
No, jeans.
Jacket. Oh my goodness. You also give you how many jacket now?
This looks small.
The really, yeah, it looks
looks
kind of
small.
small.
It's
Mama.
small.
Huh?
It's small.
So catch it.
Do I have to I don't know how to pull it. How do you take it?
Amma, this city jacket. Catch it or shini. Jacket tashi ya. Kamaje game da to da wora ro. Kwe. The jacket the t-shirt ka mapi da. Ala.
Yeah, this is small.
chunda. 야고지 큰다. 야, 니디 돈도 뿌라. 야, 야고지지. 또 옆에. 야란다. 맞다. mission ball teacher. So what is the next? Just keep wearing now, okay, jean jacket. Because if you don't wear, it's gonna be small for you.
It's a dress.
Dress?
Yeah, it's a pretty.
Ah, that's pretty. That's also like jeans, huh?
I should have I should have got this before.
Yeah. During a birthday.
Yeah, I could have worn this.
Yeah, we should have opened that one. The jean, the summer
It's really pretty.
Yeah. Okay, that's about it. That's about it, right?
No.
Oh, that one. Okay, open that one too.
Oh, it feels so soft.
T-shirt, zebra T-shirt. Oh, T-shirt looks. Oh, that's nice.
Oh, I like this.
Yeah, wear that one. Wear that one. Wear this one. Take the jacket off. Take the jacket off. This looks very pretty. Hmm.
I'll be right back, guys. Guys, I'll be right back, guys.
Hold on.
Well, you already started?
Yeah.
Oh, hi wash it off.
Yeah, it looks very pretty.
This little design.
Is that?
And warm
Oh, sorry.
exfoliating.
Yeah,
Inside
I
your
like it because it's like a book.
wild is
yeah, it looks very pretty.
And yeah, so I finally got the card to open. It didn't want to open.
Huh?
The card didn't want to open.
You didn't want to open? Why?
Yeah, it didn't want to open, yo.
Here we go. It's from Asu, right?
That scared me. Oh,
Oh, the card has audios. Is it Minion? Minion?
I have no idea.
No. Cut it.
Yes, okay.
Huh?
HMA, happy birthday. I am so lucky to have a wonderful niece like you in my... I love you from Asu.
Jutsu tenda. Can you face front? Oh. Oh yeah.
I want to see what's in here. Like, I want to see what they used to make this battery.
Battery.
What did they use to make this battery?
Battery maybe like small.
Batteries. Can I open this and see what's inside? Like, I want to see what kind of battery they use. Whoa, that's cool. They have all this kind of...
Huh?
Look at that.
Yeah, electronic.
A lot of...
Yeah, electronic. You're the.
I broke it.
Hmm. Hmm. I thought it was a minion, you know, when I heard the sound. Like a minion. Alright, so thank you very much. The unboxing of